You know how we're always looking for that edge in catching the bad guys and keeping our businesses on the straight and narrow? Well, buckle up, because we're about to explore how AI is turning the tables in our favor. Greeting global learning community. I'm Starweaver, and I'm thrilled to introduce you to Generative AI for fraud detection and compliance, exclusively on Coursera, created in collaboration with Starweaver. This course is your gateway to mastering the use of generative AI in fraud detection and compliance, a skill that's more relevant today than ever before. So, why you should care about AI in fraud detection and compliance? Well, let's face it, the bad guys are getting smarter and we need to stay one step ahead. That's where this course comes in. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just an AI curious, we have got something for everyone. In a world where the stakes of fraud and regulatory compliance are higher than ever, understanding how to leverage AI to stay ahead is crucial. Whether you're looking to enhance your professional skill set or enrich your personal knowledge, Generative AI for fraud detection and compliance offers a comprehensive exploration of key AI concepts applied to real-world challenges. We're going to discover some useful stuff, from the basics of generative AI to some serious advanced fraud-busting techniques. And don't worry, we'll cover the important stuff like ethical AI use too. By the end, you will be designing AI systems that can spot fraud from a mile away and keep those compliance processes running smooth as butter. But here's the best part. You won't be alone in this journey. Our courses is like a global meetup of AI enthusiasts. You'll be trading ideas with people from all corners of the world who are just as pumped about this stuff as you are. Ready to level up your skills and join the AI fraud fighting squad? Check out the course details and hit that enroll button. Let's make the digital world a safer place one algorithm at a time. See you in the class.